Good morning, children. Here we are once again going to take up the topic perfect tense. Earlier we did framing statements. Today we will do framing negatives and interrogatives. You keep speaking the word as interrogatives. Even we teachers also speak interrogatives, but actual pronunciation is interrogatives. So let's start. Perfect tense, as I told you in the first session related to this topic, that perfect means complete. And when we talk of perfect tense, we mean that the action is or was or will be completed. Fine. So when you have to frame a negative for a perfect tense or an interrogative of a perfect tense, you need to focus on the verb. You need to focus on the verb. Look for the verb, and then the second step is, for making a negative sentence, you have to place not in between the two verbs. And if there are three verbs like will, have, done, फिर क्या करेंगे बेटे? फिर कहाँ लगाना है not आपको? You have to make the proper use of not word. Always use not with the first verb. ठीक है? Next, in case you have to frame an interrogative, then you have to place that first verb in the beginning of the sentence. These rules are same only beta what you have done for simple tenses and continuous tenses, framing negatives and framing questions. There also the rule was that look for the verb and place it at the right place, and the right place is after the first verb. Sometimes you have two verbs, is playing. Sometimes you have three verbs, will, have, done. तो कहाँ लगाना है बेटा not? After the first verb, will. ठीक है? ऐसे ही while framing interrogatives, what you will do? You will look for the verb and place the first verb in the beginning of the sentence. Let's take up examples for every tense, and that will give you a clear picture of how to frame a negative or how to frame an interrogative. I have taken it together only because the session is more, means you can say the topics are more or less related only. Verbs are same, only their placement is different. This is a sentence of present perfect tense. The bus has left. Now my verb is has left. ठीक है? What should I do for framing a negative? I have to place not after the first verb. Two verbs are there, has and left. So I will place not in between the two. If it has to be a question, what should I do? Place the first verb in the beginning of the sentence. My first verb is has. I have put it in the beginning, and then the rest of the sentence goes as it is. Here you don't have to worry about your action word left because it is already in third form, and perfect tenses take verbs third form only. Moreover, has यहाँ पर भी है बेटा, has यहाँ पर भी है और has यहाँ पर भी है, तो has के साथ आपको सेम वर्ब लगानी है क्योंकि ये भी थर्ड फॉर्म में, तो दूसरी जब आप यहाँ यूज़ करेंगे वो ऑटोमेटिकली थर्ड फॉर्म में ही होगी. नेक्स्ट, the sentence is in past perfect tense. The boys had caught a fish. The sentence is in past perfect tense. Identify the verb. I have already underlined had caught. Framing negative, the rule is put not after the first verb. So the sentence will read, the boys had not caught a fish. And framing a question, the rule is place the first verb in the beginning of the sentence. So what you will do? Bring this verb in the beginning. Had the boys caught a fish, and put a question mark there. Next, the sentence reads, the bus will have left by 2. Means by 2 o'clock somewhere in future, दो अभी बजे नहीं है, तब तक बस चली जाएगी, जा चुकी होगी. Means action will be complete at 2 o'clock. So the sentence is in future perfect tense. How do you identify? ये will और shall बताएगा बेटा आपको. Will और shall जहाँ पर भी होगा, it is always a future tense. And perfect क्यों है? Because we have used one of the H which I mentioned in the beginning. Remember 3 H. Has, have, had. So now framing negative, what is to be done? Look for the verb. Verb क्या बेटा? Will have left. Framing negative, place the not after the first verb. My first verb is will. तो क्या बनेगा? The bus will not have left by 2. And for framing a question, what we have to do? We have to place the first verb in the beginning. Will the bus have left by 2? That will make a question. Sorry, you could not see it. I'll shift it above and show you again. The bus will have left by 2. Means by 2 o'clock this action will be complete in future. Then for framing negative, I have to look for the verb and place not after the first verb. My first verb is will. तो आप क्या लगाएंगे? Will not have. ठीक है? I have not underlined. I'll underline now. For framing an interrogative, the rule is place the first verb in the beginning. So my first verb is will. I will place it like this. Will the bus have left by 2? क्या 2 बजे तक बस चली जाएगी? This is the meaning of the question. और जो काम हो चुका होगा, that is a complete verb, perfect verb. I hope you got it. See, it's been only 7 minutes and that is why I had clubbed framing negatives and framing interrogatives. Children, this particular topic is not in your book. So you have to focus on the video session and you have to rely on the video session only. Please keep the videos safe, and being the videos uploaded on the YouTube, you are at ease to watch them anytime. I have mentioned classes also along with that. So you are at an ease to watch them anytime you need them. Your homework for the day is to make the table which I will share as a document. This table is made here. I have worked upon it because the topic is not in your book. So with every tense, I have made statement, negative, interrogative and given the example here. So whenever you want to revise it, you can revise it from your English notebook. You will make this table in the notebook where you had been doing your grammar work always. Okay? Then this is the way you will write the topic. You will write the use of the whatever I have mentioned here, and then you will make the table just as I have made. I will be sharing a document or a PDF file for that. So you are at you can use that to make the table. And next I will be sharing the practice work also. That also you need to do in the same notebook. Please do not prolong and procrastinate your work beta. Do it the very day you get it. Otherwise work will be piled up and you will not be able to understand altogether everything. See, the practice work again I will be sharing, but I need to explain you here that you will be using the same questions, these questions only for framing negatives and for framing interrogatives. ठीक है बेटा, and try to do your work. I don't give much work, written work, so please do your work yourself. In case some problem is there, mama can write your questions or didi can write your questions, but answer should be done by you only, because it is you who need to understand these topics. So I'll be sharing this also. As I said, what you have to do, you have to frame these questions. I have written question 1A to E. So you have to use these same questions and no need to write the questions for part 2 and part 3. Okay, same questions are there, no need to write them again. One time written, that is more than enough. Thank you children. Have a nice day and please complete your work today itself, as the video session is not too tiring. It is very short, just of 10 minutes. That too, I made it 10 minutes by speaking and guiding you extra things. So take care and do your work. Thank you. Have a nice day.